TNS family? What's up, TNS family?
We're back with another vlog.
What's up, TNS family? We're back with another vlog.
So, what's happening? It's a banana for Oh, okay. And what? They're just discussing the history. Oh, okay. And to see anyone here or superhero. Wow. So that's what's happening. And Tuxx and I wanted to come. Or Tuxx wanted to come. Or her dad
Samoa Icecream. Elenga lo tiny flying at Fausia Pelova Fa Amalosi Sera mana tua pea so anamua tua pea so anamua It's a Okay, put it in your mouth.
No, I don't like it. Take it off.
Okay, so the morning tea this morning is it for Aussie? Akka thinks it's caramelized pumpkin.
Yeah.
It smells coconut caramelized. Should we try one? Alright, fam, we're gonna try this. We don't like you say the word because I don't know. Aussie. But we're gonna try it. Just because we're in Samoa, we need a YOLO. Okay, let me get your fork. Okay, sis, small, big, what? Speak to me.
Small one.
Okay, fam, we're gonna try it. This is what it looks like. Oh, there we go. That's what it looks like, fam. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's not too bad.
I'm just trying to figure out what it is. Is it cassava? I think it's cassava.
It's not too bad. I think you should try again.
I think no.
I think no.
I think it needs more caramel. Coconut caramel.
Guys, rate it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, rate it. Out of 10.
Between 10. 10
okay.
What being?
10 being the best.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, 5. I gave it a 5 because I'm not sure if I like it or if I don't like it. You gave it a 4 because
there's not enough caramel sauce for that. And caramel sauce, I mean coconut sauce, which is the best part about a sauce.
Exactly.
Yeah.
My
and
mum
I think my favorite one is galo. Galo's the most popular.
Yeah, but what is that? Potatoes?
This is cassava, I think.
Cassava. What's cassava in Samoa?
Oh my god. Comment down below if
oh my gosh, how embarrassing.
Oh my god. Can you? Yeah. Just do an emoji.
Okay, comment down below what a cassava is.
Yeah.
In Samoan. You have to say it in Samoan. Right, is cassava
Cassava
English?
Oh no, is that Fijian? I think Fijian.
You're lying to me.
Yeah, what's cassava in Samoan? I forgot.
Oh yeah. Okay, comment down below.
Waka and Samoa.
Your mama say that I'm a lucky bye.
Bumping into these guys of overseas, but this is Kat, Margaret, Angeline, James, and they're all from Melbourne except for Angelina's partner. He lives here. Oh, let's just stay here. Oh, no, thank you. Should we do it here? This is actually better scenery.
It'll be loud too.
Yeah. So guys, we're just gonna record our intro. We're forcing these guys to do it. Angie, can you put it? So we had to go to Tuxx's meeting back in SALANI, and we just got into a beer. We just came to shop, bumped into some Melbourne family, and right now we are in
Markeki LAVALAVA.
We're in the Markeki LAVALAVA. We're waiting for our cousin Langulua to finish work so we could take him and my cousin Angie back to Hawaii. Maybe we'll have a swim again, maybe not. If so, bonus.
I don't know, because we gotta come back and pack our stuff.
Oh yes.
We gotta find somewhere else to stay.
Yo, we could be kicked out of our hotel. No, we're checking out tomorrow. We might go and see where else we can go and stay.
Yeah.
Comment down below what's a really good hotel. And yeah,
Like most of the price as well, you know.
you know, everything needs to be nice. Everything, just make the price nice as well.
We don't have any business trying to stay at Sheraton or Peggy Gray's, you know. Just give us something good. Alright?
Okay, let's go. What's up TNS family? So we are here at Seafood Gourmet and we are about to try their food. We're so excited because it's legit. This is the first time we've gone out to a restaurant for dinner, proper dinner. With my husband in Samoa. But anyways, we're about to try the food. We were referred here by our brother Willie Unasa. So shout out to you, bro. And yeah, husband, you want to say something?
Alright family, so I just want to explain what we've got. We've got a seafood platter here. We've got chicken and chips. And then we got some beautiful fish and chips that looks really nice. And we just got one more order coming, which is my steak. And I like it medium well done because I used to like it rare, but then Sera used to kind of have a problem with it. And then it kind of put me off, and I was like, oh, because she was like, hey, yeah, that's yeah. And I'm like, man, I'm trying to eat. But then I was like, oh, I like it medium well done anyways. Not bad. As long as there's a fatty bit on there, then I'm A-okay. But yeah, fam, that's pretty much it. I'm excited for this food because it's really nice. Let's dig in, family. But you guys already know, we gotta do our local first. Is that right? So fam, join us in prayer. This nourishes our body. And then we pray, amen.
Amen.
So it's it, fam. It's a nice juicy steak.
Family, the food is so fresh and so good. Okay fam, so we just finished eating. How did you like it?
I loved it, fam.
What would you rate it?
I would give it an honest 10.
10? I think 10 is too nice. I would give it an 8. So we're going to eat, we're going to try the ice cream here and see what flavors they have, but we're still trying to find, oh, they do have it.
Koko Samoa Icecream.
Okay, we're gonna try the Koko Samoa because a few of our Insta followers have requested for us to try it. But the last time I went live on YouTube, on our channel, I forgot who it was. So drop a comment down below if it was you that asked us to try the Koko Samoa ice cream. The dinner was so good, so good.
Hi, I'm Tana, by the way. If you want to try the Koko Samoa ice cream, drop by the food shack right here on top.
Okay fam, so we have got our Koko Samoa ice cream, as well as just a normal cookie and creams ice cream that Tuxx and I will eat later. But we are so excited to be trying the Koko Samoa ice cream that was requested by one of yous. So we're gonna dig in and then we're gonna rate it. Yeah, can you guys see that? Look at the heat coming off that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a smell. I don't know, to me I can't smell anything. Can you smell anything?
Yeah.
Can you smell the cocoa?
Yeah.
I can't smell the cocoa.
It actually just smells like chocolate.
Yeah, I think it smells like just normal ice cream.
Ready?
Okay, 3, cheers. 3, 2, 1.
It kind of tastes like chocolate clear vanilla.
I got good pen cocoa.
Anyways fam, before this turns into a mukbang,
we're gonna end off this video right here. Before we go, we actually have had so many people slide in our DMs and ask for a shout out. So we're gonna do something totally different through the Samoa vlog. We're actually going to be shouting out the ngu'us. So if you are from, example, Salani, we will give a massive shout out to the Salani village, and whoever is from Salani, I want you to right now give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, I am from Salani. Yeah, anyways, that was just an example, but our ngu'u that we have chosen to give a massive shout out to is Ngofuali'i. I have to do my dad's village first. So shout out to all my Ngofuali'i family. We love you. Go right now, click that thumbs up and comment down below, I am from Ngofuali'i. Choo!
I am from Ngofuali'i. Choo! Just so you guys can get it, alright?
Anyways, TNS, we're about to head off. We will see you yet again tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We love you, TNS family. It's all far. Choo!